We're at the Jackson Center. Robert Jackson was involved in the Nuremberg trials and Brown versus Board of Education, so it's a perfect connection. And I happened to read that you were good friends with the Russian ambassador, Oleg
Troianovsky,
who was at the agreements when they actually decided to have the Nuremberg trial.
Well, he was a very interesting fellow because he was the son of the first Russian ambassador to the United States. And he went to Sidwell Friends School in Washington and went to Swarthmore College. My daughter Andrea, who's here with me now, was a student at Swarthmore. And just as I became ambassador, I was taking her to school. And the president, Dr. Friend, said, "You must get to know my friend, Oleg Troianovsky." Said he was my doubles partner on the tennis team, and we were roommates for a year. And he's the Russian ambassador. So once we got to know each other, his wife and my wife both loved to play tennis. He met his wife at a tennis court. And my wife was an avid tennis player. So we played what we call diplomatic doubles all the time. His wife and I were partners, and my wife and he were partners. And we always split sets. Yeah. But it meant that we had a personal relationship. And I don't know that that's, but whenever there was a conflict, I could go to him. We never talked politics on the tennis court. But whenever I needed to talk politics to him, I could go to him. And I don't think it's an accident that because of our personal relationship, I never had a Russian veto the whole 3 years I was at the UN.